How to find unlimited topic idea for your channel. Finding the content idea for your channel sometimes can be difficult and frustrating, and sometimes you may run out of ideas. Although you need more topics for your YouTube channels to keep consistent with publishing on a regular basis as your audience expected. So you have to figure this out: where to look, where to search, what resources could help you for getting new YouTube niche ideas specifically for your niche. Also, plus how to find trending topic easily for your niche. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find unlimited ideas for your YouTube channels regardless of the niche you are in for the next months. Hey everyone, my name is Biba. I'm a content creator just like you. Starting from now, I will share my experience gained from my clients by helping you to build profitable YouTube channel, like this client and this client and this client, by sharing my tips and tricks to save your time and money to make money online fast on YouTube. Today we are going to use new 5 best ways to generate new ideas for your YouTube channel specifically for your niche, by showing you my amazing tips and tricks to use many resources to find huge amount of ideas. All you have to do is watch this video till the end. I have saved the best tips for you at the end. Without any delay, let's blow your channel with unlimited content idea. Please, we need your support. Just like, share, subscribe and activate the notification button to get updated on how-to videos to make your YouTube channel successful without wasting any more time. No matter having a personal channel or niche channel such as cash cow channel, you will get at least 30 topics idea by following my tips by using resources I'm going to mention in this video. If you are curious to know the difference between personal channel if you are extrovert and cash cow channel if you are introvert, check out this video, the link in the description. Let's talk about the first technique I'm going to show you to find YouTube ideas for your content planner. I want you to open YouTube incognito mode and search main keyword or the main sub niche. Let's say for example you are teaching how to learn English. From YouTube suggestions, this is the most searchable and this is the least one. This is 14 search terms related to learn English that are people already using to reach how to learn English. What is the next step? Let's say for example, this is the beauty of YouTube. The top videos is like 4 years ago. This video is posted 2 hours ago and less than 10 minutes and already getting views. This video you can make a better video because it's less than 10 minutes. Let's move to the second technique. We are still using the same search term or the same keyword. Let's find out how. After using the same search term and click enter, what I'm looking for. Let's examine the search term and which channel is targeting the same niche as yours. Let's say for example, learn English. Then click their video. Check for videos like less than 10 minutes. I will make a better video than this, so this is my choice. I will check the channel to find out this channel has a good amount of subscriber. We will check the videos. We will check sort by the most popular. So this channel got 1 million views, so she got a trending video. She got more than 4 videos, trending videos on her channels 2 months ago. This is a winning videos. This is a winning video. You should make a better. This is trending only 4 minutes, so this is a topic or idea you want to make videos about. So we will open this video. Okay, improve your speaking and conversation skills with me. She's targeting 2 search terms: improve your speaking, improve your conversational skills with me. So this is a topic idea. Let's do more investigation. I want to check if she has another video that less than 10 minutes. This video you can do better. Let's talk about the third technique. In the third technique, we are going to use tools like VRIQ. Okay, yes, it is paid service, but I will tell you a pro tip which plan you must use or can use if you are a beginner. Let's say for example Yes, it is a paid service, but it will help you a lot in your YouTube journey. I'm using VeraQ on daily basis because VeraQ will help you to match your videos with YouTube search. As you know, YouTube has 4 main algorithms. VeraQ will help you with getting search traffic by YouTube search. If you wanted to make sure your videos rank for target search term, then VeraQ is a great tool. You can input your search term, something like that, and find the best possible ranking search term based on how many views and the score of each search term. If you want to join, link in the description. My pro tip for you, if you are a beginner or your YouTube channel still not have any data, I think you should use only this pro, because you have no data, you are a beginner, just your pro plan is more than enough. Let's say, for example, learn English search term. The main top metrics you want to check: search volume and overall, and competition, of course, and competition. As a beginner, you will search only for very low competition, and for the search volume, the higher is better. This one included in your title. I show you 2 tips here from VeraQ. You must search for competition, medium. If you are a beginner, very low is more than enough for you. Okay, make YouTube learn English with me. Okay, not use this name, but you can learn English with your name. The second tip, this trending videos. I have a complete video about how to find trending videos specifically for your niche. VeraQ can help you with that by, if you check these videos from 3 weeks ago, 9 days ago, tell you the trending videos in your niche. It's not trending, but it's the most watched according to this search term. If you still didn't get your VeraQ, the link in the description, you can join. Yes, it is affiliate link. It's a supportive link to support us to keep going. The second tool I want to show you is TubeBuddy. It has a free extension. You can download it. Learn English. This is the most dominant channel. This is exact search term. So this search term is not a good term. We can tweak it a little bit. Learn English speaking. So this is an excellent video idea. Exact match in top result is 1. So this a go ahead YouTube videos idea can start right now through stories. This is another good video because the search volume is high, competition is fair. This is how you can use TubeBuddy and how to use VeraQ. Get idea about your next video. Let's move on to the 4th technique. The 4th technique, we're going to use Google AdWords course keyword planner. So the keyword planner, you will use these features, discover new keyword. We want new keyword ideas. Let's say, for example, you wanted to target United States, Canada, and your language. Select the languages and let's say learn English. Get result. For this search term, you will use this idea: learn English speaking, learn English grammar. The idea here from Google AdWords, you get idea about the most common keyword or search terms that advertiser want to show their videos on which videos. So you want to make more videos about grammar, more videos about English speaking, more videos about through stories. You can see we see pattern here from YouTube search suggestion and Google AdWords. Let's move on for the high search term. Online English speaking course. You can review courses about English speaking, or you can make your own course about speaking English, and you can filter by this competition, and average search month is high. English language learning. So this is how you can use the Google AdWords to get more ideas by matching your videos with advertiser. Let's start with the 5th technique. The best source allows you to not only understand your audience, but also find great topic about what they really want to know. What they really want to learn is YouTube community. By the way, community tab will be activated when you have 500 subscribers. Let's take this channel as an example. Okay, you can see her community tab, very engaging community. You can read this comment or find a trending prop. This is my secret tips and tricks to find unlimited idea for your content, leveling up or niching down. But how about finding trending topic especially for your niche? How to spot the topic and ride the wave of new topic everyone is looking for and searching for, want to know more about it. Check out this video and see you in the next video.